This is the Genesis Radon 720 gaming headset. It's available for about £40 here in the UK and boasts an integrated USB sound card and virtual 7.1 surround. So let's get it out the box and let's have a look. Okay, so in the box you get the headset itself and a quick install guide. So looking at the headset itself, it's got a classic chunky headphone vibe about it. It's predominantly black plastic and it has some red accent lighting around the ear cups, which I quite like. Now each ear cup has a lit up Genesis logo on it too, again in red. And you can't change the colours on these, and unfortunately it's not possible to turn them off either if you don't like them. The black plastic is decent quality and the general build quality is very good. The cable is braided and it's got a red and black theme continuing here, and it's 2 meters long, goes to a USB connector which is PC compatible only. Looking at the headband, it's a leather effect strap with 2 metal bars and it's got elasticated sides to allow it to automatically adjust to your head. Going to the ear cups, and they don't have any pivot to them, so they just go flat against your head with no adjustment possible. Regardless though, these are quite comfortable, helped by the fact that they do feel very light. The padding around the ear cups is a soft foam with a faux leather covering, and they do give quite good sound isolation. They don't push the ears against the speaker face at all, and the clamping force against your head is just right. Not too light and not too strong. But for prolonged use, they can get a little warm, so just make sure you have a break every now and then and they're absolutely fine. Looking at the outside of the ear cups now, and on the right hand one it's pretty clear of anything really. The left one, however, has a bit more going on with it. The cable is attached at the bottom and the volume wheel is built in at the back. And on the front is the microphone, which is quite discreetly stowed away in this little knob. So I'll get onto how that sounds in a minute. Before I go on to audio quality, let's have a look at the software. Now there's bespoke software for the Radon 720, which you can download from Genesis's website, genesis-zone.com. Okay, so this is the software for the Genesis Radon 720. As you can see, we've got the volume control open up there. That's what it opens up with. Up here, you've got a load of presets. These two here are ones that I've actually set up in the system. And you can simply do that by changing some of the settings, getting it how you like it, and then pressing add to add a new preset. So let's have a look at the different options we've got in headphones. We've got volume control, sample rate. You can change the sample rate there between 48 and 44.1 kilohertz. Equalizer, you could change the graphic equalizer. You've got rock, rap, metal, jazz, all sorts in there. You've got environment effects. We've got karaoke, which makes it sound like it's been sung in a karaoke bar. Sewer pipe, sounds like it's been done down in a sewer. Quarry, carpeted hallway, hangar, arena, cave. So yeah, the list is quite extensive in there, and you can change the room size as well. Now I'm going to play a little bit of music through and let's see if it will show us the different effects. So I'm going to play a song called Hiatus by King Sis. Now I'll get this from epidemicsound.com and we'll have a listen and see what some of these different ones sound like.
No, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying praying, meditating, taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look
Now underneath here, these 4 icons, they're just 4 of the most popular ones that they've put on here, so you can get to those a lot quicker. So next we go into the 7.1 virtual speaker shifter, and we can turn on the 7.1 speaker sound there. Now this allows us to move these virtual speakers around, so it changes the way it sounds within the headset. And to be quite honest, it is quite a powerful tool. Now if you tie this up with the Zia Surround Max as well and turn that on, it gives a really good depth of sound. I mean, it's a good sound stage anyway, but with that switched on, it's even better. Then we've got Sing FX, and in here we can change the pitch of the music, and we can also change vocal fading, so you can actually turn vocals on or boost them with that slider. So I'll quickly go back to hiatus and we'll have a listen to some of those effects as well.
We just building, make a name for generations. Please the maker, then take a break or a little vacation. Hey, you always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soak in the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, shaking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't ask me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
So there you go, just a little bit of fun there. Right, so let's have a look at the mic controls, going into volume control first. While I've been doing the software part, I have had the microphone going the whole time. And as you can see, I've had it pretty much full on. It is quite quiet, but the quality is definitely there. So yeah, it is quite good. So if I bring that down, we can change the volume of the microphone pretty much down to nothing, and then we can go back up again and we get me back. Then we've also got microphone boost, so we can turn that off, and then we can turn that back on again, so you can see, or rather hear, what that does. And then again, sample rate, we can switch between 48 and 44 kilohertz. I'm not going to actually do that now because it will stop the recording. I did try it earlier. And then if we go into Zia Sing FX, again, this is just a little bit of fun. So here we can add a bit of echo to the microphone, and we can move that around as well, and take echo off or put it back on. So turn that off. Now Magic Voice as well. My 8-year-old son loves this. So basically, if I go into here,
and the first one we'll listen to is the monster. So, ooh, I'm a scary monster and I'm going to eat you. And then we go to
cartoon. So, yeah, sounds, I suppose, like a cartoon character.
Then we've got male, which personally I think makes me sound like the Incredible Hulk. And female.
Well, obviously, that speaks for itself.
so there we go. That's been the software and microphone test. Now I have got my computer running in the background, obviously, and the fans can get a little bit loud on that, but it seems to block out quite a bit of background noise. So yeah, quite pleased with it. It is a little bit on the low side, but other than that, it's I think it's absolutely fine. And it's back to me in the studio. So overall, I think that this is all in all a really good headset. Without any enhancements switched on, the soundstage is really nice. Quite a full and rounded sound. The headset has 50mm drivers in each side, and they really do sound good. The sound effects are a lot of fun, if only for a short while. And the 7.1 virtual surround gives a really great soundstage whatever you're listening to. I really do like these, and for £40 I do think they're well worth the money. So I'll leave links to the Genesis Radon 720 in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Huge thanks to Genesis for sending these in for review. I also want to say a huge thanks to my current Patreons, And I'll leave links to my Patreon account in the description too, where you can donate and join these lovely people in supporting the channel. And speaking of supporting the channel, why not pop along to our new Teespring store, where you can pick up a brand new design of t-shirt like the one I'm wearing in this video. So don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon. Best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. It doesn't cost a thing, and if you click the bell notification icon, you'll be told every time I upload a new video. Speaking of new videos, why not watch one of our other videos on the left hand side of the screen right now. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.